You are now tuned in to the Haitianjonas Show.
Haitianjonas, you're watching Haitianjonas Kreyo. How to speak Creole. Let's go. Do you want to know how to speak Creole? I can teach you. Let's go. The easiest way to know how to speak Creole, you need to know the consonant, the syllable, the consonant. They're the most important. Let's go. An, en, in, on. Easy. How? Let's find out. I want to know, when I'm around Haitian, what should I say? Sac passe. How are you? Well, how are you? There are so many words. Let's go. Sac passe. Comment ou ye? Qui jan ou ye? Sac a fait. So many ways. Now, answer the Haitian person. Mwen bien. Na boule. Bagay drôle. Comme si, comme ça. Ma vive. Now let's answer. Let's ask the Haitian person a question. Et où? And you. Comment ou relais? What is your name? Qui jan ou relais? Qui non ou? Qui non? With the apostrophe W. Mwen relais. My name is. Qui jan? Mwen relais. Mwen relais. Relais. Nom say. Now, you have to ask them when you're having conversation, where you from? Qui kote ou soti? Kote ou soti? Soti. Answer, I'm from Soti. Mwen content, I'm happy to meet with you. Enchanté. Content fait connaissance avec ou. Mwen content fait connaissance ou c'est yon plaisir fait connaissance avec ou. Now, it's a pleasure to meet with you. So many ways you can answer the person. Bonjour, bon matin. Good morning, good day. Bon après-midi. Bonsoir. Bonne nuit. Bonsoir, bonne nuit, et bon rêve. Bon rêve, have a good dream. Adieu, oh Lord. Au revoir, goodbye. Au revoir, goodbye. Bye bye. Mwe, nawe, pita. I'll see you later. Apita. See you later. Ademe. See you tomorrow. Bonne chance. Good luck.
This is Haiti.
Mwen c'est Haiti. I am Haiti.
Passez your bonne journée. Have a nice day. Bonne journée. Have a nice day. Bon appétit. May you have a great appetite. Bon voyage. Have a good trip. Ou comprend? Est-ce que ou comprend? Do you understand? Mwen pas comprend. I don't understand. Thank you for watching Haitianjonas. This is Kreyo. If you want to know how to speak Creole, you can get this right now on your app. Haitianjonas Kreyo. Thank you.
Anybody who comes here is stepping out of the ordinary. People don't come here to enjoy air conditioning, color TV, and pools and saunas. They come here to taste something that we offer, something that is very warm and very, very real. But there's a lot more than that. There is the humane factor.